Hello everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Owen Fox, and in this video I want to talk about how I've been feeling after 1 month all raw, except for a day and a half where I got like uncontrollable cravings and I ate a bunch of cooked food and I overate and I felt tired and I didn't regret it but it's a funny learning experience, an interesting one. So here I am just having some delicious tea. It's just rice milk with asparagus root and cordyceps and maca, which are three of my favourite herbs for sure. So you can get all of them in my herb store below. I'd highly recommend them. Really good for bolstering your energy, reducing or eliminating fatigue, increasing your libido, great for your lungs, your immune system, for your sleep, as well as for its helping to awaken your heart and get better dreams and feel more connected and a sense of belonging and peace in the world. And I'd also recommend Rejuvenate formula, which is great for energy and libido and a whole lot of other stuff. Those other ones are good for libido too, so naturally recharging your batteries. So in this video I also want to talk about how I felt after a month of all raw. Like today is the day where I woke up feeling the most best I've felt in years. I felt the most energized. I'm not like bursting with energy, but I have this like really good, solid, stable, like fundamental energy that the Chinese called Jing. Jing is your root force, root chakra, your adrenals basically, your kidney and adrenal system that work together. It's your sexual energy, it's your life force energy, it's your creative energy, it's your energy to bounce back from physical or emotional stress or exhaustion, mental stress or exhaustion too. It's your battery pack, it's your reserve. It's what you draw upon in times of like daily or even like lifetime hard challenges or stress, or when you're tired. It's your fallback system. And it's also your sexual reproductive power, and typically also denotes often your fertility. So so good, it's tasty. But I'd highly recommend like learning more about raw food and eating raw food. The benefits are like so much. Like today was the first day also that I woke up and I had nothing like mucus in the back of my throat. I didn't have to go. There's nothing there, and like there nearly always is. So, as Arnold Ehret would say, I would recommend this book called The Mucusless Diet Healing System and even Rational Fasting, which I've read. Pretty much all diseases are caused from cellular constipation, which is backing above our sewer system or our bathroom, our toilet, our bathroom, our sewer system. Every cell needs to be fed, and it also poops and excretes into the lymphatic system, which is as much as 4/5 of the fluid surrounding every single cell is lymph instead of blood. Blood feeds pretty easily and relatively straightforwardly, but naturally occurring cellular waste as well as just general waste and things from the environment, we need like 4/5 approximately almost to be lymph to deal with everything. So having a fast moving lymph system should be the goal of everyone related to health and longevity and aging beautifully and powerfully with loads of energy. So congestive food basically is mucus forming food, and the whole system is being written on this. All the foods like from white potato to then moving up to more of the root vegetables, and then eventually like cutting out the cooked food, and then eventually like going more towards the juicier raw foods predominantly, which would be a fruit-based diet. Some people call that fruitarian, but it doesn't have to be 100% strictly fruit only. But there are only words, and words mean different things to different people, so we don't have to get caught up on the different type of words. But yeah, I just feeling great, like probably one reason why I woke up feeling so good today is because I didn't do too much exercise yesterday. I did cycling with heavy bag, and I cycled for quite a while, and I cycled uphill. But previous 3 of the last 4 days I've done a cliff walk, which is like the most beautiful scenic like nature walk along the coast, and you can see the beautiful Irish Sea and loads of. It's just gorgeous. I try and do that almost as much as possible to get out there in nature and get my fresh air and nature immersion, which is an essential need for our health of